That's looking beautiful. Are you bringing your wallet?
Yeah. Just in case I die and need evidence. What is going on, guys? So me and Billy are currently on a last minute Tuesday night little backpack camping trip. It's gonna be an overnighter. It's supposed to get pretty cold tonight, so come prepared with some 0-degree bags. Definitely gonna build a fire, cook up some good food. It's gonna be a good time. We're just gonna kind of hike in and see how far we get, and if we find a good spot, we'll set up shop there. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm pretty stoked. Yeah, I bet.
Oh, dude.
What?
Adjusting the. Check the beanie out, yo. That shit don't look good.
Ah, you're good. I'm stoked. So we just got to our first stop of the trail. It's at this pretty high peak, probably about a quarter of the way in for the entire loop. We're not gonna be doing the full loop, but we're taking a break because that climb is like pretty hefty. We're probably gonna come down to the bottom of this hill and try to set up camp from there. Our friend Doni said he's gonna try to meet us in here, so we're gonna see how that goes. It's a deep hike and we got almost lost on like 2 different occasions. So Donnie, I hope you make it in here, but it's not gonna be without a challenge.
Good luck, buddy.
Good luck, buddy.
Hot fire, food, right into bed, baby. Are we booking this campsite?
I think
It's booked. How much they charging per night? $0. $0. Book it.
So we've come to the conclusion that we're probably gonna stick to this spot on the top of this hill. It's got
about 2 miles in.
Yeah, we're about 2 miles in. Clear sky ahead, pretty open area. It's not really the most level, but I think we can make it work.
Look at my mini.
Oh, look at this Johnson.
Look at my mini little tool.
Look at that thing. That thing's nuts.
We're gonna go do some
That's fire.
damage with it.
Yeah, go do some damage with it. So we're gonna chill out here for a little bit, get some firewood going, and then start a fire, get the tent set up, and then get some cooking. We got some really good food we're gonna cook up tonight, so pretty stoked. Tool of choice tonight for gathering firewood. Oh, it's in the bottom of the pack.
I love being prepared.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's coming. It's gonna come. Pause. Yo, this doesn't want to f her out. Yeah, baby. Too close to my balls. Ooh, ooh. That one hit my knee. Ooh. What time did you say it was before?
9:40. All right, so my preferred method of setting up, or at least getting the campfire started, is I'll try to get like as dry a grass as I can. So, I mean, this is like been dead for a while. if it's long, I'll kind of roll it into almost like a bird's nest shape. Put it down on something that's fairly dry. I'll have my kindling on standby, a little bit bigger stuff. So if I'll use like a flint and steel, something that, you know, is super durable. It's lightweight. I can keep it with me. If it gets wet, it's not the end of the world. It's a little wet out here, so if this like super fine stuff doesn't catch, putting in some small pine shavings will really help too.
This stuff is actually from the Appalachians.
Just super dry stuff.
You want for free.
So we got a fire going. Starting to set up camp. Billy is setting up his sleeping situation.
Oh yeah.
Got the polar tent popped up. Apparently a not so good sleeping pad.
4 to 10, man.
We're gonna let this fire, let those coals get nice and hot. Gonna let that cook down for a bit. And then gonna prepare some dinner. Oh no, is that bad? All right, so Billy's got his tent mostly set up. We just put some potatoes into the fire that are gonna cook for the next like 12 hours. They might be ready by the time we get up in the morning, but we'll see. No, I'm just playing. I'm gonna get started on my tent because I need a home. 2-man Coleman tent. About as budget as you can get, but it'll work.
It's a left.
Oh my God. Yeah. Little Jackie Danny shooter.
Tuesday night terror.
See the Summit, 0-degree sleeping bag. Nemo sleeping pad, and a standard issue Target Ozark sleeping pad.
Good evening, gents.
A miraculous turn of events. The man himself has made it.
I'll keep the light off you for the camera purposes. What's going on, guys? Donnie Bikes.
What up, bro?
We are out here. Made it.
I can't believe you
so stoked.
made it.
This was so sporadic. I got off work like maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. Stoked to be out here, man. This is so cool.
Exactly.
Dude, I am toasty right now. Like, I definitely have sweat.
Yeah.
Gotta dry the gloves. Dude, I want to crack down this tent so fast so I could grill up my steak. I have a steak, can of beans, and some pumpkin seeds.
You got a beer good for your heart?
I have 3 beers. Yes, I do have some brews.
Let me see that brewski.
Got some. I got one on each end. I got one for everybody if you guys didn't bring any.
Nice.
It might actually, yeah, see, it has.
It's gonna go way from
Yeah. Like I'm saying, bro, this thing is massive. Boys got one person in a 10-person tent. This is a 5-man, bro. It's not even a.
I have a 5-man in this thing.
Cut that out too, bro. Oh, this shit's inflatable.
Dinner time. black Angus ribeye from Aldi. Open mushrooms. Piece of butter. Homemade Greek yogurt chipotle sauce. A little bit of salt on that action. A little bit of pepper. Put that off to the side so we can get that butter going in the pan.
Oh, dude, this thing's so sick. Throw some salt on that.
Salt.
In my bag. Must have to load me up with it. Alright, dude, we're set up. All set up.
Get all those mushrooms in there.
Don, I'm gonna use your pen after you, if you don't mind.
Yeah, of course, brother. That's why I bought it. Bought it for everybody.
Donnie, get those beers. I gotta put them like, please don't be raw.
Oh my god, it's perfect. Oh my. Crunchy skin.
Nice. Tuesday night, bro.
Bro, it's a Tuesday night and we're in the woods.
How's that? That's hidden? Alright, so give us the rundown quick of what that meal is consisting
going on
of.
here, man?
We got a baked potato. We got some cheese. We got an Angus steak. Just look at it. Look at all. Look at it all.
Oh my god, the melty cheesy on the bottom.
Look at it all.
Oh my.
Show them the goodness here. Oh my god. With the mushrooms.
That's not even fair.
Like I can't even focus getting it.
My cheese didn't.
The potato bowl. KFC don't got 0 on this.
KFC got nothing on this.
Hold up, let's get a check on this one.
It should be, if I'm not mistaken.
Alright. That looks pretty good, man.
Pretty good.
That looks pretty good.
That's pretty
tearing
good
up.
right
It's
there.
so beautiful.
Let me zoom in on that.
Here, let me get a little bit more of a cut.
Oh,
yo, that's
my
beautiful.
lordy load.
I'm sitting over here. Please don't smoke me out. This fire's gonna smoke me out.
Bro. I'll tell you what,
my eat, man.
there is nothing better than a steak cooked over a fire in the woods.
With the fellas.
With the fellas. Oh no!
Oh my god.
Oh no, oh no!
Oh my god.
Wait a minute.
Get that thing now.
Oh my god. I forgot about the sauce. I forgot about the sauce.
Drizzler. Just give her a nice glaze.
Right there. Oh, yo.
Thank you, Bran.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Billy, for cooking.
That's great. That's great.
Should we crack these corners and cheers? You gotta go crazy. You can get it on the steak too. Bro. I don't even care.
His drink of choice tonight. Kona Big Wave. I was hoping to be. Alright, we're gonna tuck into this, finish this off, sit around the fire, and we'll check in before we go to bed.
It's crazy.
So we just finished up dinner. We're gonna finish off a couple of beers, sit around the fire, get warm for the night, and probably check in. It's been a long day. It's nice to get out here and get some wood, get a fire going, eat some good food, hang out here with the boys, listen to some good music, and just disconnect a little bit. It's much needed. Cheers, everybody. All right, so I have this new segment I want to do towards the end of, or like certain parts of my videos. It's called Nature Talks. Yes. And I basically want you to give, if you had to give one message to the world or the youth today, what would it be? While you think about it, I'll ask you guys to drop a comment in the comment section saying, you know, a message that you feel someone might need to hear, whether you know them, whether you wish you knew them, friends, family, people you don't know, people around the world. Just send somebody a message that you feel somebody should hear. I figured if there's anybody to start it off with,
I got one.
I feel like you would be the best person to start it.
These are not my words, but it honestly lit a fire under me. We as humans are the universe experiencing itself. So never put a cap, never put a limit on who and what you can be, because we truly are divine and we truly are the stars. We are everything. So chase your dreams, be who you want to be, and get out there.
Sweet. All right, we're gonna cap that off for the night. I think we're gonna let this fire die down, and we're all probably gonna hop into bed and trying to get into our warm sleeping bags and try to get some good sleep. It shouldn't be as cold as we thought it was gonna be, so that's a bonus. But yeah, good night.
Good morning. It is 7:30. Probably actually got to sleep around 2:45 once Donnie was done building his fort. Wind picked up pretty crazy last night, so Donnie had to get out of his tent and stake down the rest of his tent so he didn't roll off. Once we build up the courage to get out of these warm sleeping bags, we're gonna get a fire going, maybe get some breakfast going, and get out here. Donnie, what happened with that tent?
Dude, cover flew off in the middle of the night. I had to hop out of the tent, rip it inside, and then stake down post because my tent was literally leaving. Billy's ripping a fat one. Yeah.
Shut that yapper. So if you guys remember the clip from last night, these are the pine barrens we were in, the really dense pine barrens that looked super creepy, but during the day it's like the complete opposite. We opted to skip breakfast and skip the fire in the morning to pack up and head out. right, so we're gonna call it there. I really hope you guys enjoyed sticking around for this video. I'm super stoked to finally be able to bring you a video that I've always wanted to make. Seen people like Xander Budnick, the Outdoor Boys, making videos like this for as long as I can remember, and I've always wanted to get on one, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave us some comments. Definitely drop a comment for our next nature talks. So leave someone a quote that you might know, you know, some good words of advice, messages to the world. In the next video, we'll shout out the people who commented them and we'll read them off to you guys. So once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate the boys for coming out for this one too. Doni Bikes and Billy Barefoot. I'll drop some of their socials down in the description below. Yeah, that's a wrap. Thanks guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe on the video, and see you guys in the next one.